Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Butterball fully cooked turkey breast with ribs and back portions. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Now this was $3.57 per pound for 5.59 pounds, coming to almost $20 at the Walmart. Now it's around Thanksgiving. Well, actually today is Thanksgiving. When you see this video, it's going to be past Thanksgiving. But Walmart had it on sale at last year's prices. Smoked whole turkey breast, smoked flavoring added, gluten-free. Complete preparation directions. Now, if it's fully cooked, I don't understand why you have preparation directions. Conventional oven, outdoor grill, microwave oven, serve cold. Okay, and that's how I'm going to do it. Because it's just me and Blue. I can't see heating up the whole oven. And doing the turkey breast in the microwave, when I just thought of it, kind of turns me off. Remove turkey breast from wrapper, carve turkey breast. Let meat stand at room temperature for 15 minutes to take off the chill. Now, I had this thrown in the refrigerator probably about 4 days. Moist. Now what I'm going to do, since it's just me and Blue, like I said, just carve it up cold. Now what I was hoping to do is use my meat slicer, but the problem is there's still the bone in it. See? So for carving it up, slicing it up on the meat slicer over there, it's kind of out of the question because I don't want bones in it. Gotta be honest, if I knew there was going to be bones in it, I probably wouldn't have gotten it. More bones. But with all that said, and it looks kind of like it might be undercooked. But let's go ahead, give it a little taste. Gotta be honest, the meat flavoring, the smoke flavoring, you can tell is artificial. Look at all that water in there. And it didn't tell me that the bone was in there. That upsets me. It has an artificial smoke taste to it. Didn't tell me there was a bone in on it. And it's full of water. It tastes alright. It doesn't taste bad. Doesn't taste great. It tastes alright. I won't even say it tastes good. So with all that said, oh man, it's undercooked the way it looked. I seen that red spot. Would I buy it again? No. Maybe if you bought this for Thanksgiving and you cooked it, maybe it would be better. But right now, I'm very disappointed. I'm going to give it a 1-star rating. I'm sorry. But that really left me down, especially since it was a Butterball. I bought a name brand. So, yeah, 1 out of 5 stars. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button. As always, thank you for watching.